Welcome to the apex of pharmaceutical manufacturing. In this ultra-clean environment, advanced robotics
As the shift ends, the automated systems complete their final runs before the shutdown sequence initiates.
check the flow rate on panel 4.
The rinse cycle is starting now.
You'll take one of these blue capsules twice a day, as outlined here in the pamphlet.
And are there any side effects I should be aware of?
These certification labels guarantee the quality and safety of the product, ensuring every vial meets international standards. This massive logistics hub is the heart of the global supply chain, moving life-saving pharmaceuticals across continents.
The sterile environment ensures the integrity of the vaccine as it is transferred to the cold chain transport.
And this calibration certificate for the lyophilizer, is it up to date?
Yes, we completed the scheduled maintenance last week. The documentation is all here.
The pharmaceutical-grade products are secured. Now, the final hurdle. A full-spectrum X-ray scan to clear customs.
Inside the sterile environment, precision is paramount. These vials of medicine, once processed, are quickly
Inside the sterile facility, precision is paramount. Once cleared, the pharmaceuticals are loaded onto trucks for global distribution.
Easy now, clear on the left. Bring it back slowly, watching the temperature.
Maintaining a precise temperature is critical. These sensors continuously monitor the cryogenic storage. Scan results confirmed. All units are within the acceptable range.
The bottles are grouped and then moved into the heat tunnel, where the protective film tightly seals the product, ensuring sterility and quality control. The automated vision system inspects thousands of capsules per minute, ensuring absolute precision in this sterile environment.
These stainless steel capsules, once sealed, represent the pinnacle of pharmaceutical engineering and a step towards extending human life.
Here we see the final checks being performed on the automated filling line before the next shift begins.
The data archived daily ensures the highest level of quality control and strict regulatory compliance.
The data logger confirms temperature stability.
Excellent. We'll transfer them to the quarantine freezer now.
Check the pressure on line 3.
It's holding steady at 20 psi, well within parameters.
Check the calibration on the robotic arm.
Looks good from here. We are maintaining optimal output.
Manifest 78B, double checked.
Applied the global tracking label. Ready for sterilization.
Tầm nặng đến tỷ sử dụng hút tầm dưỡng tiến sẽ đi lưu thực tế trên một tầm cùng hàng việt. Papai sau tầm hạn nó chấm nên đại tiếng săn top mệnh brain center tầm đại bên gần.
Utilizing advanced UV laser technology, the facility marks every pharmaceutical product with an exact expiration date. The weight and dosage verification system is critical. It uses a precision robotic arm to ensure
Purity and precision are paramount in the manufacturing process here. Thousands of capsules move along the conveyor system every hour.
The powder is carefully guided into the hopper, the first step in high-volume capsule production. Sequence input confirmed on the HMI.
All right, let's prep for the next batch.
The quality control process requires meticulous examination of the active ingredient at a microscopic level. In a state-of-the-art pharmaceutical cleanroom, technicians meticulously handle sensitive powder samples, ensuring purity from contamination. The highly automated process ensures that the fine powder is collected in sterile containers, maintaining the integrity of the product.
The sterilized bone fragments are fed into the stainless steel grinder, beginning the meticulous process of creating pharmaceutical-grade calcium powder. Maintaining the integrity of the sterilization process is paramount in this environment. The materials are transferred with utmost precision. The extreme close-up reveals the complex, porous texture of the dried bone following the desiccation process. The humidity-controlled airflow circulates evenly throughout the facility, ensuring product integrity.
In this state-of-the-art facility, precision is paramount. The automated systems handle thousands of vials.
Here in the clean room, high-pressure purified water jets ensure every surface meets the highest standards.
Structural integrity confirmed at this joint. Data logged.
Excellent. Moving to the next section.
The skeletal pieces, precision-crafted titanium implants, undergo rigorous inspection before they are cleared for use.
Here in the clean room, precision is everything. Barcode labels are applied to every vial, ensuring
The automated conveyor system meticulously transports the specialized skeletal trays, a critical phase in the manufacturing of these compounds.
Inside this state-of-the-art facility, every measure is taken to ensure sterility. The bone structures are meticulous.
In the highly controlled environment of the cleanroom, technicians meticulously separate the delicate components with absolute precision. Inside the cleanroom, the processed skeletal matrix is carefully handled under strict laminar airflow to prevent contamination. Maintaining strict compliance is paramount in this environment. Every detail must be scrutinized before the batch can be released.
The state-of-the-art facility adheres to the highest standards, with every vial meticulously handled.
Maintaining sterility is paramount.
The team is preparing the lyophilization machines for the next batch.